All right, so once it gets to your Google Drive, you're going to be able to see it where you've got a folder that is in orange. And in this case, it says Gale in context, which if I click on that, now I'm going to see my article here ready to go. When I click on it, if I look, I've got the entire article ready to go. It's taking a second to load, but if I scroll down all the way to the bottom, you guys are going to see that citation that I was showing you earlier. It's not in the correct format, but you could go through and fix the formatting later. It's just nice to have it in one place right now. So if I go back to the database here, say that for some reason the Google Drive send to thing isn't working. Sometimes it gets a little glitchy and maybe it doesn't send the article to the next day. You can also go through and just download the article and then upload it to your Google Drive by clicking New and then clicking File Upload. So that's another way to get around it if for some reason that sync from Google Drive isn't working. So once you have that done and you've got your article sent to you, there's some other things that you can do as well. So notes and highlights. So you can see right here next to notes and highlights it says 2. That's because I've already created some. And if I click on it, you can see that I've made a little note here. So I just put description. So it's describing what cerebral palsy is. I'm going to be able to use this. Now, we want to make sure that when we are going through and using any information from this article, that we are going to cite it on a reference page. If we don't, that's going to get us into plagiarism territory, which we don't want to get into because that means that you are taking credit for someone else's work. And I don't know about you, but I don't know a lot about some of these diseases, and I think it would be very unlikely that you would know some of this information. So I'm sure Mrs. O'Connell is going to make sure that you guys are properly citing everything. Something else you can do here is you see it says define. So say that there's a word here that I don't know. Especially in science, there are some words that are really hard. Like, look at this, encephalopathy. You're like, what the heck? Here it says disease of the brain. But say that I want to know how they define it. I can highlight this. Let me scroll down, hit define, and then it's going to give me, 1, how to say it, and 2, some definitions that go with it. Okay, and right here it says disease of the brain, which is great. That's exactly what it told us there. But there might be some other words where it is not defining it for you. So make sure that you use that so you fully understand what you're reading. I also went through and made another note here where I put use image and information for slide. Because yeah, I could use this as a really good slide to show what the disease of the brain looks like here with cerebral palsy. So that could be very helpful for me when I'm starting to collect all of the information and figure out what sources I am going to use. So I can now go through and say I have all my notes and highlights done. If I click on notes and highlights, I can see all of them, which is pretty cool. But the thing that I like even more is that if I put the APA 7 on here, it's put it into the APA format, and it's also given me my citation here. So it's showing me my notes that I put on here, and then I already showed you how to send this to your Google Drive. But if I want to make sure that I have my notes and highlights, if I hit send to again, and it sends it to the Google Drive, I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to see, there we go. So see how it now says highlighted articles? So, and it's got today's date, so I know that this is the one that I want to use. It took all of those notes and highlights for me and put it right here in its own separate document. So if you'd prefer to just have all your different highlights added rather than the full article, you can do that, and it might actually be a lot easier for you to put that information together. So that is something that I really like about this, is it's going to help you guys stay organized and only use the information that you need. So the last thing that I am going to show you very quickly is if I go back to my article and I keep going. All right. There's some things here that you can do too to make your reading experience easier. You could have it read some things out loud to you. So especially when you've got tough words that you're like, I don't know what this means, maybe hearing it said out loud is going to help you. You can also change your display options, so you can make it a different color. Some students with dyslexia can read better with different colors behind the letters, so you could play around with that. We also have different fonts as well, including a dyslexic font that you could use. You can also play around with the line spacing. So say that you want to make the letter spacing, line spacing, word spacing a little bit different. You could go through and change that on your settings. And that's just going to help your reading experience become a little bit easier. But if not, you could go through and just kind of change it back to some of those regular settings and keep it as is. I'm going to keep it double spaced because there's research shown that it is much easier for people to read when lines are double spaced, so keep that in mind. I can also make the font size bigger. I can make it smaller. And I can do some translations. So I can pick from a bunch of different languages that are here. Hopefully it has the language that you would like, but that would be very helpful for you as well. So those are some basics on how to use the database. If you guys have any questions, I'm going to be working with you in class to try to help you even more. But besides that, please come see me in the library if you ever need help with research, and I'd be happy to help you with some of those weird things like how to format things in APA, or how to do an in-text citation. But we'll go over more of those things when I see you in class. But thank you for your time today, and hopefully you have a wonderful day.